Hey everyone, so I'm sleepy again. My vlogs are really horrible lately. I need to invest more time into them. Um, but it's kind of pointless to keep coming on when I'm half asleep. And right now, like the light's pretty bad, so I know the audio doesn't match the video because it's kind of dark. If I don't have like the light pointed directly to me, it's hard to match it up. I guess the sound doesn't travel as fast as the light, obviously. But that's pretty much it. I am going to go to bed again. Um, as much as I talk about sleeping, you would think that I get a lot, but I really don't. Mm, um, trying to think if there's anything like really important that I could talk about that I probably shouldn't do anyway if I'm half asleep. Well, I'm just going to go because my alarm is going off in like 3.5 hours. And tomorrow's Friday. The kids will have energy, so I need to have some type of energy. Oh my god, I just had deja vu. This is so weird. Just had deja vu. And I knew I was going to say that again. That's weird. Alright. Look, my twist up top. Don't look like a tarantula? Like tarantula legs. I need to trim my hands and my hair too. I just hate scraggly ends. I need to clip them. Alright. I'll talk for 2 minutes. This is long enough. Good night.